Hello, this is Lin from Mingyi. Welcome to Mingyi Machine Channel. For the export machine business, how is the packing? A little worry about the long distance loading? Don't worry, Lin today will introduce you the stamped machine loading packing suggestions. For the machine packing, big size and more than 2,000 kg heavy products, we suggest and usually in wooden boxes packing. The finished machine usually wrapped in several layers thin cling film and in wooden boxes, packing with fumigation. Sweet tips ones. Also use pieces wooden sleeve to strengthen the wooden box eyes. Last with cable ties outside the box. When loading, we will use forklift transport. Make sure the perfect situation. We will continue to upload machined video to everyone. Looking forward to meeting you next time. If you like it, welcome to subscribe our channel. See you next time. Bye.